In this video, I'll show you how to use phrasal verbs that use the preposition about and one of these verbs: come, bring, go, and get. Together, these form phrasal verbs: come about, bring about, go about, and get about. These two phrasal verbs, come about and bring about, are similar. Come about means to happen. Something is kind of a surprise or it's unexpected. Bring about means to cause something to happen. A person or a thing brings something about. Go about is used to do something. It's similar to do, except it's often used for a challenging or difficult situation. Get about is often used for traveling when going from one place to another. You can use this for short and long distances. How did this come about? Or how did this happen? Come about and happen are about the same. This question is often asked when you want to know how something happened. How did this come about? It came about when, and then in this case you could write about a past activity or some past situation. Or when asking about time, use when. When did this come about? It came about, and then you can put some time. It came about just recently. This is something that was unexpected. Come about is often used when something is not expected. When did this come about? How did this come about? It sounds like the situation is a surprise. Use bring about when you want to know who or what caused something to happen. Who brought this about? Who caused this to happen? What brought this about? What caused this to happen? Notice also that this phrasal verb is separable. You can put a word between the verb and the preposition. This is often going to be a pronoun. What brought this about? What brought it about? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has brought about changes in the way teachers ask for assignments. This is a recent innovation, and it has caused many changes in classrooms all over the United States and all over the world. This is bringing about big changes in education. These two questions show the differences between come about and bring about. How did this come about? How did this happen? What brought this about? What caused this to happen? The phrasal verb go about is similar to do, except that this is often used with difficult or challenging situations, such as this one: how do you go about finding a job? Notice after this preposition, this word is a gerund. You'll often hear gerunds after go about. Gerunds have ing endings, and they represent some type of activity. My driver's license is going to expire soon. How do I go about getting my driver's license renewed? After go about, here is the gerund, getting. And all of this functions as a gerund phrase, getting my driver's license renewed. This word is a past participle. This question has a somewhat formal sound to it because we're using one as the subject. How does one go about starting a new business? This is a pronoun that represents anyone. Instead, just say one. You could also say, how does a person go about starting a new business? Or you could simply use you. This would be the indefinite form of you, meaning anyone. How do you go about starting a new business? To make a statement that includes go about, you should go about it. This would be the activity. And then here's an adverb. This adverb modifies go about. You should go about it carefully. You could also use a prepositional phrase. You should go about it with caution. You should go about it carefully, or you should go about it with caution. This is the prepositional phrase. She goes about her daily tasks quickly. In this position, you can use an adverb. Change it to slowly. She goes about her daily tasks slowly. Perhaps she is elderly or needs help. She goes about her daily tasks professionally. In her job as a doctor or lawyer or accountant, she goes about her job professionally. The phrasal verb get about is often used for traveling or for moving within a space. Sometimes this is movement or travel that has some challenge or difficulty. For example, he gets about in a wheelchair. This is a challenge for a person who has problems with mobility. He gets about in a wheelchair. But it could be public transportation. I get about town by bus or by train or on my bike. I get about town on my bike. Get about in this type of situation is similar to get around. I would most likely use get around instead of get about, but both prepositions will work.